Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are making cucumber salad. Here I have my one big cucumber, and also I have got some tomatoes, boiled eggs, one small ball of onions, and one carrot. I'll go ahead now and prepare all the ingredients. Wash the carrots, the onions, and the tomatoes, and also the cucumber with salted water, and then go ahead and slice them. Keep watching. I'm done cutting the cucumber. Next, I'll cut the eggs. On a second thought, I decided to use 3 boiled eggs, so I'll go ahead and slice that too. I'm also done cutting the eggs and all the other ingredients. I'll go ahead now in a mixing bowl, add all of them together and mix, starting with the cucumber, the eggs, the carrots, the tomatoes, and the onions. Next, I will add about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, which I'm using as salad cream. You can use any cream of choice. And then mix together. And here we have our simple but very delicious salad, cucumber and egg salad. You can serve this right away, or you can put it in the fridge for about 1 or 2 hours before serving it. So I just transferred mine into a plate where I can cover it and then take it to the fridge. After about 2 hours, I served it with some chicken and some fish. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.